Hello everyone. Imagine this. You're at a bustling market in a foreign country. You see vibrant fruits, hear vendors shouting, and smell delicious street food. Now, instead of feeling lost, you instantly know the words of everything you see and hear in English. Sounds incredible, right? Today, we're going to explore how you can use visualization and associations to make this a reality and boost your English learning in a fun and memorable way. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the power of visualization and associations in language learning. Learn techniques to create vivid mental images and connections for English vocabulary. Discover practical ways to integrate these techniques into your daily study routine. Let's start with why visualization and associations are so powerful. Our brains are wired to remember images and connections more easily than abstract words. When you link new English words to vivid images or familiar concepts, you can recall them faster and with greater accuracy. When you learn a new word, create a mental picture of it. The more detailed and vivid the image, the better. This helps anchor the word in your memory. Take the word apple. Instead of just repeating apple in your head, visualize a bright red apple. Imagine its crunch as you bite into it, the sweet taste, and even the smell. The multi-sensory approach makes a word stick in your mind. Create short stories using new vocabulary. Stories provide context, making it easier to remember the words and their meaning. I had a student named Anna who struggled with remembering the word bicycle. So we created a story. Anna rode her red bicycle to the park, where she met her friend Jack, who was playing soccer. This simple narrative helped her remember bicycle and related words like park and soccer because they were part of a memorable scene. Link new words to concepts or words you already know. This associative technique builds a network of related words in your brain, making recall easier. Think of your brain like a spider web. Each word is a point, and the connections between these are strands. The more connections you make, the stronger and more extensive your web becomes. For example, connect the word book with library, read, story, and author. Use flashcards with pictures, mind maps, and diagrams. Visual aids can significantly enhance your ability to remember and use new vocabulary. When learning the word sunflower, find and draw a picture of a sunflower. On a flashcard, write the word on one side and place the picture on the other. This visual connection reinforces the word each time you see the image. Create mnemonic devices or memory aids to help recall difficult words. These can be acronyms, rhymes, or associations with familiar objects or ideas. To remember the word desert, a dry, sandy place, you might think of desert equals S, which equals sand. Creating a simple, catchy rhyme or phrase can help the word stick. Now here's an assignment for you. Write a short story using at least 5 new English words. Make it as imaginative and detailed as possible.